Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you a bunch of new skincare products that I've bought recently, and all of you guys wanted a skincare review, so here I am. I bought a bunch of new products for you guys. I would be reviewing them one by one in today's video. So yeah, let's get started. Also, if you are seeing this face for the very first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. And that's it, let's get straight into today's video. So I got a bunch of products from the website Purple, and some of the products I got it from store. So this is going to be a huge skincare video, and the very first product that I have with me is a Good Vibes mask, and this is how it looks like. So I haven't really tried Good Vibes products before. I know that a lot of you guys love Good Vibes as a brand, and I haven't really tried their products before. So this was my very first purchase from Good Vibes, and I haven't really used it. I would use it and let you guys know in the future videos how this worked for my face. Also, this packaging is very pretty. It comes with a golden lid, and the front packaging is very pretty, and this particular product looks like this. So this is the product that you get. This comes in a very beautiful pink color, which I love, and the texture of this particular mask is very soft. So I think this is going to be good for sensitive skin as well. Let me use it and I will let you guys know how this worked for my face. Next up, I have a very basic product, which is aloe vera gel, and I got a aloe vera gel from the brand Vaseline, and this is how it looks like. So I have tried aloe vera gel from a lot of company, and by far this has really impressed me. I've used it couple of times. So it is a very thick aloe vera gel, which I love. Also, a lot of aloe vera gels that you can find on the market are very thin, which doesn't really work for your face. Instead of making your face smooth, it makes the face more like dry, which I hate. But this is very good. It makes the skin very soft and supple. So far I'm really liking this product. So the next product is actually a face cream. So this is from the brand Dermdog. Let me know if I am pronouncing it wrong. I haven't really tried this product in the past, and this is my very first purchase from this brand as well. I got it from Purple. So says that this is a hydrating cream, that is why I bought it. Anything hydrating, give it to me. I love hydrating products, and this is how it looks like. First of all, the packaging, you guys, it's so pretty. It comes in a blue packaging, as you can see, and the lid is like this. So this packaging is so beautiful and so luxurious, but it was really inexpensive, which was very surprising. The quality of this product is beautiful. I have tried it once and twice, but you know, it gives such hydration to your face, but it is absolutely non-sticky, and you can use it even in summer. You're not going to sweat or you're not going to feel oily. So by far I am really enjoying this product. It is a very hydrating product, and the formula is like gel. I'm showing you guys, the formula is like gel. It's not really cream like, it's like gel. So just see the texture. It is a very lightweight formula, and to me, I don't really like heavy moisturizers on my skin. I absolutely love mild, but I need a good moisturizer for my skin, and this one has really surprised me. I'm trying this product for the very first time, and I'm highly impressed by the product. So you guys must try this product. Okay, so I have a bunch of moisturizers to show you guys, so let me just finish with the moisturizers first. So next I have the Nivea Aloe Hydration Moisturizers, and this is how it looks like. So I do not really have to explain you guys how this products works for the face. This is a very OG products. Everybody have Nivea in their home, so this one is a very beautiful moisturizer, and this is not really my first purchase. I purchased this before as well, but this one is a new variant. This is the Aloe hydration cream, which is a new variant. I've tried other variants as well, and I am in love with this moisturizer. This is a beautiful moisturizer. You can apply it in summer as well as in winter, and now that we are having rainy season, you can apply it on rainy season as well. And it is not really expensive. It is a very inexpensive product, and Nivea is always a OG product in every household, I feel. Quickly moving on to the next moisturizer. So this particular moisturizer has been requested by so many of you, and even I wanted to try this particular moisturizer, so I got the Pond's lightweight moisturizer. I do not have to tell you guys how the packaging is. You guys may already know. And this particular product was requested by so many of you. All of you told me to use this product and let you guys know how it worked for my face. And now I can understand why you guys suggested me to use this product. It is a brilliant product. So initially I wanted to get the gel version of this. It comes in another variant, but it was out of stock from every website. Also, I tried to find it in the store as well, but it was still unavailable, so that is why I got this one. And I would say that I'm pretty impressed. So this particular moisturizer is very similar to this moisturizer right here, which I showed you previously. So both of them are very lightweight, which is love. I love lightweight moisturizers, but it has to be hydrating, and both of these performed really good for my face, so I'm very happy with the purchase. So next up I have a face serum for you guys. So I got the Good Vibes Vitamin C and Vitamin B3 face serum, and this is how it looks like. First of all, guys, the packaging, oh my god, can you see the packaging? It is so pretty. It comes in this beautiful blue glass bottle, and it comes with a golden head right here, and you guys can open it like this, and this is the actual product. So the texture of this product is very runny and watery, which I love. And it is not like a oil that you use on your face. This is a serum, and it is very lightweight. So once I used it, I fell in love. It is very good, and it has vitamin C and vitamin B3, which is very good to reduce hyperpigmentation. And I do have some spots on my face which I want to reduce, and that is why I got this particular serum. I got this serum for my brother as well. He also has some acne scars which he want to reduce, and that is why I got it for both of us. And I am really surprised how this product worked for my face. I have used it like thrice, and yeah, it is quite good. It is non-sticky, and it is like, you know, it is like water mixed with oil. That is the texture of this particular product. It is not really oily, but it is not really water, so it is just in between, and I really love this texture. And let me tell you guys, this is the most inexpensive vitamin C product that I found in the market. It is very inexpensive. Like, you can find vitamin C products more than 500-600 rupees, and this was, I think, 200 or so, and it is a very good deal, I feel. So all of you guys who want to start using vitamin C on your face, but you are really confused which one to get and you do not have the budget, go for this one. It is a very good deal in this particular price point. So now I have two Mamaearth products with me, and both of them are repurchases. This is not the first time that I'm using these products, and the first one I have with me is the Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemish Cream. This is a OG product. Like, I have finished 2 entire tube of this particular product, and this is very good. If you have like acne scars, or if you have hyperpigmentation, it works magically on your face, and it is going to show you results, but you need to use it constantly. Like, you need to use it for 1 month straight, and then you can see the results on your face. If you use it for 1 week or 2 weeks and then leave it, you cannot really see the results. And this is actually holds true for every skincare, I feel. So you need to give some time, and this will work for your face as well. So the first time I got this product, it was a little bit bigger, the packaging was a bigger, but they have like reduced the packaging, but the quantity is same. I don't know how, but the quantity is same. And this formula is very pretty. I have been using this product for a really long time, and I really love this product. So the next product that I have from Mamaearth is the Mamaearth Light Indian Sunscreen, and this is how it looks like. So I got the smallest tube just because I use sunscreen from other brands as well, but this one worked pretty good for my skin, and I am using this particular tube the second time. I've used it before as well, and I really like this product. It is good, like it is gonna give you SPF 50, which obviously we need as we live in India. And I don't know why it says Indian sunscreen, maybe because it is made for Indian skin. Yeah, this sunscreen is pretty good. It is non-sticky, and it is not going to make your skin looks oily, or it is not going to give you any kind of white cast. So you can easily use this under your makeup and you are good to go. So the next product that I have is the Plum Green Tea Moisturizer, and this is how it looks like. So this one again is not a new purchase. I purchased it second time, and I am really liking this product. It is very good for acne prone skin. It is very good for oily skin as well. My brother uses this product and he has a very oily skin. His skin is acne prone. My skin is not really that much acne prone, but his skin is, so he religiously uses this particular moisturizer. But I would say that this is a little bit costly. Like the work it does, it is a bit costly, but it is a good product. I wouldn't say that it is a bad product, or so. The formula is good. It is very lightweight. It is the most lightweight moisturizer that I've ever used, I think. So yeah, but I would say one thing: once, like the first time you're using it on your face, you can feel a little bit tinglish sensation, which is okay. It will go within like 1 to 2 seconds. So yeah, I've used this product in the past and I have enjoyed it. So you can obviously go for this one if you have acne prone skin, or if you are facing with oily skin as well. Okay, so quickly moving on to the very last product. This is actually not skincare related. This is a hair care product, and I have only one hair care product, so I thought of including that in this video as well. So I have with me the Streax hair serum, and this is how it looks like. So I have used hair serums from every company. I feel I've used a lot of hair serums on my hair, and I haven't really used the Streax hair serum before. So this is my first time using this particular serum, and once I used it, I instantly remembered that I used to go to a salon in my teenage age, and there they used to use this serum. This particular smell is very familiar. So this is a very good serum. Like, you just need one pump of this particular product and you're good to go for your entire hair. So I have a pretty long hair, so only one pump is good for the entire hair, which is amazing. So it has so much quantity in it. So I think if you are using this alone, you can easily use this for more than 3 to 4 months if you have long hair like me. But if you have shorter hair, you can easily use this for more than 6 months. So which is very good, and the smell is divine. When I come out of the shower, once I use this, my hair is going to smell beautiful for the entire week. Yeah, till I work out. Like the day I work out, my hair doesn't really feel that good. So yeah, if you are not working out, or if you are not washing your hair is going to smell amazing throughout the week. So that is the plus point. I always love applying beautiful smelling products on my hair, so that is why I got this. The smell is very good. So, and also it gives a beautiful shine on the hair as well. So yeah, you can easily get this product, and it is also not very expensive. It is very inexpensive. So yeah, if you have dry, frizzy and like unmanageable hair, you can easily go for this particular product and you are good to go. So yeah, that was a complete haul, you guys. My throat is paining. This was a very long video. I have filmed two videos back to back. Anyways, let's leave that aside. And these were the products that I got recently, and all of you guys wanted me to try new skincare, so that is why I got new products, and I would be reviewing all of these products very soon on my channel. So let me know which product you want a review from my side. So that's it. If you end up purchasing any of the products, let me know. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, as I'm always active there. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys on my next one.